42%. That's how far Netflix has fallen from its 52-week high. $130 down to, well, we'll get there. June 25th, $70.90. The lowest print in 52 weeks, the floor of the entire year's range. But look what happened next. Thursday, up 4%. Monday, another 4%. Tuesday, 4.7% more. 3 straight green sessions while the Nasdaq bled. On the daily chart, here's the setup. Price bounced off that $71 floor and now sits just below one critical line, $79.30. This is where support becomes resistance. Break and hold above it. That confirms the bottoming process is real. Above that line, you've got room. Midterm trend sits around $84.7. Long-term trend near $88. If $79.3 breaks, the path toward the mid-80s opens up fast. Now, zoom into the hourly chart. This is where I'm watching for an entry. Short-term trend sits right around $75.90. If price pulls back to that zone, $75.80 area, that's your dip buy opportunity. Risk is clean. Stop under $74. And if this plays out, target zone between $81 and $85. From a $75.80 entry, that's roughly $4 of risk for $16 plus of reward, about 4 to 1. What could make this move? 2 weeks from now, July 16th, Netflix reports Q2. Revenue expected around $12.6 billion. Ad revenue doubling year over year. Over 325 million paid members already. The setup is simple. Stock washes out into earnings. Numbers come in strong, or guidance goes higher. Recovery accelerates. One thing that spooked some traders. Co-founder Reed Hastings filed to sell again. 322,000 shares. But here's the context. Less than 1% of daily volume. He's been selling methodically since May. Market doesn't care. Liquidity management, not a vote of no confidence. The bigger picture? Netflix went from $130 to $70 in 6 months. That kind of move flushes out everyone who wanted out. Weak hands gone. Forced sellers mostly cleared. What's left are holders who actually believe in the story, or can't sell yet. Either way, selling exhaustion looks real. Risk check. If $74 breaks on the hourly, setup's invalid. No hero entries, no averaging down. You walk away and wait for the next signal. Bottom line, Netflix is at an inflection point. 2 paths from here. Break 79.3, and the comeback story writes itself. Failed to hold 74, and we're testing new lows. But right now, with Q2 earnings 2 weeks out, volume confirming the bounce, and a defined risk level, the math favors the patient buyer on dips. I'll see you in the next one.